Hi, this is my channel Economics Made Easy by Sumaira Sharma. Today I will talk on indirect taxes. Indirect taxes are those taxes which are not paid to the government directly. They are levied on the manufacturers, but they collect it from the consumers in the prices of the goods they sell to them. So indirect taxes are regressive type of taxes. Their burden is more on the poor people because poor people may spend a lesser amount on the goods and services they buy, but they spend a major portion of their incomes in contrast to the rich people. There are several types of indirect taxes. The most popular are sales tax, for example. Sales tax is on the final goods and services which are sold. Another type is value added taxes. They are not on the final goods, but they are levied on different stages of the good and collected by the government authorities. Then the customs duties. Customs duties are type of indirect taxes. They may comprise of insurance and landing charges and some other duties as described by the government. Some people also think that tariffs are indirect taxes, but tariffs are direct type of taxes which are paid by the buyers for the imported goods to the sellers. Another type is toll tax, usually paid on highways whenever we pass through them, so we pay them on toll plazas. So these were the types of the taxes. You will be thinking that if they are regressive taxes, then why the government levies such taxes? Because in this way all the people become a part of taxpayers. They are easily collected from the people and they discourage the consumption of harmful goods, because usually on the harmful goods there is a greater tax. Whereas the advantage of direct taxes is that they are certain to collect. The government already knows that almost how much tax they are going to collect. The direct taxes have certainty, indirect taxes don't have. The government doesn't know how many people are going to buy goods and services, so how much tax will be collected. So for certainty purpose, direct taxes are good, and for expanding the tax base, indirect taxes are a good source for them. Thank you.